Namaste, welcome to my channel. Hope you and all your plant babies are doing very well. Today's plant is Mexican butterfly weed. It is also known as tropical milkweed or blood flowers. It specially attracts butterflies to your garden. It's relatively a low maintenance plant. With a few simple care tips, you can ensure this plant flourishes all season long. Let's talk about its sunlight requirement. Give this plant as much sun as you can. This plant thrives in full sun, means at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. The more sun it gets, the more flowers it will produce. As a tropical plant, butterfly weed thrives in warm temperature and is sensitive to frost. It is basically a perennial plant but typically grown as an annual plant in colder climate. Mexican butterfly weed isn't picky about its soil type. It will grow in sandy, loamy, or even poor soil, but it cannot tolerate soggy soil, which will lead to the root rot. Prepare the soil by mixing garden soil, sand, and vermicompost in 2:1:1 ratio. Water the new plant regularly during their growing season to help the plant get established. Once settled, the plant becomes quite drought tolerant and can handle dry conditions easily. But don't let the soil fully dry for a long time. You don't need to do much for fertilizing the plant. This plant is not a heavy feeder. A simple application of vermicompost or any other general purpose fertilizer during their growing season is enough to promote their healthy growth and maximum flowering. I can't prune my plant at this moment because the flowers are in bloom very well. Once the blooming is completed, you can prune the plant. Deadheading the spent flower will also promote continuous blooming. You can prune the plant to maintain its shape and promote bushier growth. You can propagate the plant from stem cuttings. Take a healthy cutting, remove the lower leaves, and place it in a pot with moist, well draining soil. Roots will form in a couple of weeks. Place the cutting in a pot in such a way that at least one node should remain under the soil. It is generally a trouble-free plant. However, you can control aphid attack by spraying them neem oil at a regular interval. While it's a valuable plant for pollinators, it contains some toxic compound that can be harmful to humans and animals if ingested. Toxicity level of this plant is low to moderate. However, that doesn't mean we shouldn't grow this plant. It's recommended to wear gloves when handling the plant to avoid any kind of skin irritation and to ensure that animals do not have access to this plant. This plant is in my garden from last 6 months and this was all my experience about these plants. Hope this will help you a lot. If this video is helpful to you, please like and share the video and subscribe my channel. Happy gardening!